Hey guys, Mikey here. Welcome back to another short video of the intermediate data analysis in our tutorial series. So we already looked at how to create for loops and while loops, and today we'll be looking at some less known loop called the repeat loops. So we use the repeat loop whenever you want to execute some function for a particular number of times. I haven't used it a lot in my work honestly, but I think it's good to know that there is a kind of loop like this. So let's look at a basic example here. Like the previous cases, we are assigning a value to I, and the structure of the repeat loop is pretty simple. So it starts with repeat, and then like whatever inside the bracket, like so for here you have the statement. So what you want to do, so you want to print the I. So here we give how we want to change it each time, like how we want to iterate it. Do you want to have it like I plus 1, or do you want to have it for every other increase in 2, maybe like I plus 2 or whatever that you can give. So I plus 1, that I just give the standard so that we can get everything in between. And then here we have the condition. So this is a break condition. So this is a condition where you tell that okay, we need to stop this particular loop. So for example, let's say I wanna print something, or like print the value of I for 3 times. I tell that in the if condition here, like if I is greater than 3, I want to break this loop. So that's what I have done. So I equal 1, and if I is greater than 3, the loop will exit. So the values you will be getting will be like 1, 2 and 3. So if you run this code, so you get 1, 2 and 3. So that is pretty much it. So just be careful with this part, where when you give the condition, make sure to give break so that it knows when to exit. And the format here is it starts with repeat, and then you can have whatever you want inside the bracket. So this can also be something like, let's say we want to print a word for a particular number of times. So let's say this word is hola, and let's say you want to have it for 10 times. So instead of printing I, we will just print the word here, and we just change it that the loop has to break when it goes above 10. So the first time it is 1, and then it keeps on increasing 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till 10. So if you just run this, so yeah, it did print it 10 times. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys again tomorrow with a new video. Till then, ciao.